India is turning plastic waste into pavement. In a first-of-its-kind road trial, end-of-life plastic is being transformed into technical textiles that reinforce road infrastructure. This innovative pilot project is a joint initiative by CSIR CRRI, BPCL, and NHAI, launched on Loop 1 of the DND Faridabad KMP Expressway. Using mechanically recycled multilayered plastic, engineers created geocells, structured modules that are laid in the subbase layer of the road, enhancing strength, load distribution, and durability. The 160-meter-long trial stretch used several tons of end-of-life plastic, demonstrating a practical and scalable model for green infrastructure. The technology promises time and cost savings, especially in challenging terrains. Trials with BRO and MES are next, where road construction demands extra resilience.
So now we have identified it is very essential to segregate and separate these plastics so that the separated plastics in one go are always now ensuring that the reproducibility and the trustworthiness of the result is always getting ensured.
Today this trial section has been inaugurated where CRRI and BPCL collaborated, and we did 2 years long R&D work was done, and we have now developed a product which is made up from end-of-life waste plastic. It is not the generic waste plastic which can be recycled n number of times. The geocells which have been made are made from the end-of-life plastic, which has no other recycling value. So you can see in this trial section which we launched today, in just 150 meters, almost 30 tons of end-of-life plastic has been used, and this is first of its kind not only in India but across the world, and that is how we were successful in filing the patent also. So BPCL and CRRI has jointly filed the patent on this technology, and after this our target is to have more and more national highways, especially at strategic locations. We are planning for trials with BRO and military engineering services in their projects where it is difficult to construct otherwise roads.
This technology, what we have done, we have basically upcycled we have adopted the methodology of upcycling the waste plastic. So here we are not recovering the material, we are targeting the final product, and that final product is having a straight application in road construction and other infrastructure activities. So here what we have benefit is if we have come up with a technical textile, that is a geocell, and in that geocell, if you compare with the virgin geocell, for the production of raw material which goes in the virgin geocell, that is your 1 ton of SDP, which is a 2.5 ton of CO2. So we have directly saved that amount of CO2, we have removed that amount of CO2 from the environment. And if you compare with the terms of a plantation, then it is like a planting, you are planting 100 to 120 trees. That is the one benefit. And the another benefit now, with this cell, you can put up the CND waste. Like in urban area, CND waste is one of the problem. We can put up this CND waste into this cell for the manufacturing of the roads, lower layers of the roads. And we can go for the slopeization projects like of our Uttarakhand or Himachal areas. There we will come up with these trials also.